Alright, this video is over solving systems of equations by graphing. Now, if you remember systems of equations, there's more than one way to solve them. You can graph them, you can do substitution, and you can do elimination. If you go to college and stuff, you can actually do matrices too at the same time. But we're not going to get to that right now. But today we're going to solve them by graphing. So let's refresh your memory what systems of equation are. This is from your book, but a system of equation is two or more equations. To solve this system of equation means you find the values of the variables in the equations that make all of the equations true. So it's the only place where the answers are the same. So the way I look at it is, if you have two variables, x and y, you need two equations. If you have x, y, and z, you usually need three equations. X, y, z, w, you usually need four equations, and we'll get to that later on in a different video. Alright, so we're going to solve this by graphing. Now, in the other two videos, I'm actually going to use this exact same problem because I want to show you that you can do whatever you want to solve the system. So, solve the system of equation by graphing. So I have 4x minus y equals 18, and 3x minus 4y equals 20. Now, a lot of times they denote systems just like that. It indicates that the system is together. So let's go ahead and graph them. Now, you can do this a couple ways. You can go ahead and just graph them looking at them like this, or you can set them equal to y, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So we'll do 4x minus y equals 18. And so if I made it equal to y, that would be 4x minus 18. So we go to graph. Alrighty. So now it's going to be way down here. So what we can do is we can plug in numbers. If I plug in, let's say, 3, I get 12 minus 18, which is negative x, or negative 6. So here is 3, 1, 2, 3, and negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the reason I didn't start with negative 18 because it actually comes down here, and when you're graphing system of equations, the lines need to be pretty straight. So now you can do the slope. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. And then I can draw that line. So hopefully, yeah, that's a pretty bad line. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, let's do the second equation. 3x minus 4y equals 20. So I want to make this equal y also. So negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 20. And then I'm going to divide negative 4, so y equals 3 over 4x minus 5. So we go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the slope-intercept way. And we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go graph the lines. And the answer is the intersection point. So it's over 4, down 2. So the system crosses at the point 4, negative 2. 4 for x, negative 2 for y. Now, if you end up graphing parallel lines, they never cross, hence they are no solution. If you graph two lines that actually turn out to be the same line, that means all solutions. So, again, this should be reviewed for you guys. And the homework for this assignment was the solving system of equation graphing worksheet.